Rolling.
Bharat Chakra is famous for its Durga Puja Pandal theme. Earlier, they have also showcased how the farmers are protesting for their rights. Now, this time they have come up with this important idea, which is said to be very unique, is what they have named as Udan. Why Udan is nothing to think about like flying of objects or something like that. It is regarding the Jamdani industry, regarding the weaving industries, which was very important in Bengal before the partition, before it was East Bengal. Now, slowly and silently, how this industries has already got abandoned. It has been completely faded away. And you can see how the Puja Pandal has showcased this Jamdani work, where it takes a long effort, huge effort to do this handwork. You can see out in the sari has been placed everywhere, and how the handwork is being done by the artist. And this is why this is called Jamdani, and it is very much important because the artist uses the handwork in order to do it. Because right now we can see as the things are getting modernized, people are switching on towards the machine in order to do this. But this was the thing which was earlier appreciated, and the artists or the workers had put on a huge effort to do this. Now through this Puja Pandal, they just want to portray that how important it is for the workers, for the artists in order to survive. Because once the industry closes down, it's very hard to earn money, because this is an important industry where the artists put a lot of effort, and once it has been exchanged or it has been removed by the machine, then you can understand what kind of hardship the workers are facing out here. Through this Puja Pandal, they want to show the importance of Jamdani, which is very much famous in Bangladesh, and the kind of work which has been put up in all over the Puja Pandal through these saris and the artists, the way they have done it. It mainly shows that yes, Ma Durga should put blessing on all of us. It should give strength to all of us, and in fact the industries which has gone faded away should come up in order to provide the chance to the artists so that they can showcase their work. This Jamdani can return to Bengal, the work of the artist can return to Bengal in order to showcase their work, and the weaving industry should also get bloom in Bengal so that the artists can work and this Jamdani can return, and also they can feed their family through their work, through the industry when it happens to be back. Because it is one of the important industries which has slowly got faded away due to the political scenario or whatever it is. But people or the artists or the workers are still having a hope that yes, this is the important industries which should remain in Bengal, and through this pandal they want to show the visitors that yes, the earlier how these industries was important, this should be by now. If the industries come back in Bengal, this will also provide the job opportunity.